Guys, so this is my favorite here. I just want to show you some more proof on how on the the unlimited health, to show you that it does work. So let's just go really high. I already have two more of these in the garage, in the Saints home, in the Saints HQ. I'm sorry. If you like this airplane, it has, you see, lasers and cannons and whatnot. It's called VTOL. Anyways, let's do what we came here for. Let's just jump out of here. I'm not going to be opening a parachute. This myself out. See, I'm not dead. Didn't take anything away from me. So yeah, for the unlimited sprint, as you can see, let me just show you one more time. Okay, and for the unlimited clip and ammo, there's more, and we do it with pistols. Okay, so all the cheats work. You just gotta put the code what it means to me and upgrade everything. So yeah, later guys.